Looking to protect your GMC Sierra seats while adding style and comfort? From rugged all-weather durability to premium leather luxury, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 best seat covers for your GMC Sierra. Let's jump in and find the perfect fit for your ride. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the JOJOBAY seat covers, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability, designed to fit 2007 to 2024 GMC Sierra 1500 models, including the LT, LZT, RST, Trail Boss, High Country, Work Truck, Z71, and ZR2. These covers offer a custom-like fit without the hefty price tag. Crafted from high-quality PU leather, these seat covers aren't just about looks. They're soft, durable, waterproof, and super easy to clean. Spills? No problem. Just wipe and go. The elegant and high-grade design instantly upgrades your Sierra's interior, making it look and feel more luxurious. At this price point, you're getting premium quality without breaking the bank. A total win. Plus, they're super easy to install. No special tools, no hassle. Just slide them on, secure them, and you're good to go. So if you want affordable luxury and everyday practicality, the JOJOBAY seat covers are a solid pick. But hold on, we've got even better options coming up. Stay tuned for number 4. At number 4, we have the LUCKYMAN Club seat covers, a fantastic choice for Sierra owners who want comfort, quality, and an easy installation. These covers are designed to fit GMC Sierra models from 2007 to 2013 and 2019 to 2024, ensuring a perfect fit for your truck. Not a fan of complicated installs? No worries. The LUCKYMAN Club seat covers are really simple to install. Just slip them on and secure them in minutes. Made from high-quality material, these covers are built to last while keeping your truck's interior looking fresh and clean. These aren't just tough, they're super comfortable to sit on, making long drives a pleasure. Got heated seats? These covers block a lot of heat, so you don't have to worry about burning up when things get too warm. If you want great comfort, quality materials, and an easy setup, the LUCKYMAN Club seat covers are a top-tier choice for your Sierra. But we're just getting started. Stick around for number 3, it's even better. Coming in at number 3, we have the Rough Country seat covers, built tough for Sierra owners who need durability in a factory-like fit, designed specifically for 1999 to 2006 GMC Sierra models. These seat covers provide a snug, secure fit that looks like it came straight from the factory. Made with high-quality, thick neoprene material, these covers aren't just stylish, they're tough, water-resistant, and built to handle anything. Not only are they super easy to put on, but once installed, they look just like your original seats. These covers aren't just about looks, they're made to last, giving you premium durability at a price that's worth every penny. If you own a 1999 to 2006 Sierra and want rugged protection with a factory-fresh look, the Rough Country seat covers are a must-have upgrade. Now, let's step it up even further. Stay tuned for number 2, it's a game-changer. At number 2, we have the YIERTAI seat covers, a perfect blend of style, durability, and comfort, designed to fit 2007 to 2025 GMC Sierra models. These seat covers deliver a tailored fit that makes your truck's interior look fresh and upgraded. Not only do they look great, but these covers are also built to last, giving you long-term protection against wear and tear. Installation, a breeze. These covers are pretty easy to install, and once they're on, they stay in place beautifully. Comfort is key, and the YIERTAI seat covers don't disappoint. With a snug fit and soft feel, they make every drive more enjoyable. For the quality and fit you're getting, these seat covers are absolutely worth every penny. If you want premium comfort, a flawless fit, and long-lasting durability, the YIERTAI seat covers are a top pick for your Sierra. But hold on, our number 1 pick is the ultimate game changer. Stay tuned. And finally, taking the number 1 spot on our list, the Aierxuan seat covers. If you're looking for the best combination of comfort, durability, and value, this is it. Designed to fit 2007 to 2025 GMC Sierra models, these covers fit like a glove, giving your truck's interior a sleek, factory-fresh look. Nobody likes a complicated setup, and with Aierxuan, you don't have to worry. These covers are crazy easy to install, so you'll be road-ready in no time. Made with high-quality materials, these covers aren't just about looks, they offer insane comfort for long drives and daily commutes. For a premium fit, unbeatable comfort, and lasting durability, these seat covers are shockingly affordable, making them a total no-brainer. Bottom line, if you want high-quality, easy installation, and a flawless fit without breaking the bank, the Aierxuan seat covers are hands down the best choice for your GMC Sierra. That wraps up our list. Which seat covers are you going with? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more truck accessory guides.